Problem: you want to provide your customers with a safe, secure environment on your website solution. Get some web security. The web can be an amazing place. In addition to providing products or information to people in your neighborhood, city, or state, you can talk to anyone in the world. However, there are all sorts of bad people out there who would like nothing better than to steal your customers' information and credit card numbers. And if customers don't feel safe on your site, they won't want to do business with you. So, set up web security.
I see it
Let's
now.
use Bensel's
We must
Pencils as an
implement stronger
example.
website security
They've registered
right
a
away.
domain name, they've had their website designed and hosted, and they're ready to start selling online. They need security to provide their customers with a safe, secure shopping environment. In order to do this, Bensel must purchase what's known as an SSL certificate. An SSL certificate is a sort of online ID card that assures shoppers Bensel pencils are who they say they are.
All right, your
This
certificate
SL
is verified and
certificate
stamped.
can be
Here are the
purchased from a
originals
web
back.
services company who is a certificate
Much
authority.
appreciated.
They research Bensel's
this
pencils,
addresses the
check
discrepancy
their
in the Q3
references,
report.
and
Yes,
positively
everything is in order
determine
now.
they are
I'll
who they
finalize
claim
the
to be
review.
online. In addition to providing identity confirmation, SL certificates also encrypt any data that flows to and from Bensel's site, keeping it secure from outsiders. Security might be offered by the company that hosts Bensel's website, and if it isn't, they can always use a third party. Now let's say an online shopper named Todd wants to purchase a nice mahogany pencil set. There are basically two computers involved with this transaction: the server hosting Bensel Pencil's website and the computer Todd is using to shop from. Todd's computer connects to Bensel's website, looks at the SL certificate, and verifies Bensel's identity with the certificate authority. If everything checks out, the computers form an initial connection called a handshake, during which they'll decide what kind of encryption or scrambling they'll use. This agreement is used to establish a secure connection between the two computers called an SSL, or Secure Socket Layer. Depending on the certificate that Bensel purchased, Todd's browser may display a small icon shaped like a lock, a thumbs up, a green browser bar, or some other reassuring symbol when security is in place. Once the computers agree on the method they're going to use, data starts to flow back and forth between them. When data leaves one computer, it's scrambled using the agreed-upon method and then descrambled when it arrives at the other computer. Now Todd can place his order using a credit card, and no matter who tries to interfere, the order, shipping information, and credit card number go to Bensel Pencils and nowhere else. So let's review. To create a secure website, you purchase an SSL certificate. This certificate authenticates a business's online identity and creates a unique scrambled connection to provide online shoppers with a safe, secure environment. If customers feel safe, they'll feel more comfortable doing business with you on the web. Problem solved.